Hi, it's Steph. I'm actually gonna do an all about me tag video right now because I am bored and I have nothing else to do. So, yeah, let's see. Anyway, sorry. Um, let's see. Okay, number one. Do you have a middle name? Yes, I do. My middle name is Diane. What is your favorite subject in school? Well, like generals, probably like language arts, because I suck at like math and everything else. But if I had to like pick an elective or something, probably photography or art. What's your favorite drink? Like pop or pop? My favorite pop is Mountain Dew. No, my favorite all-time favorite drink, peace tea. Oh, they're so good. Okay. What is your favorite song at the moment? My favorite song is Another Wish Wasted by We Should Whisper. An amazing band, by the way. What would you name your kids? Sounds weird, but I already have my baby names picked out. And yeah, I know it all depends on the dad too. But the names I have picked out are, for a girl, I have Callie Marie, Ava Marie, Kristen Lynn, and for a boy, I have Jaden James, Carter James, or I always forget this one. I can't think of this one, but yeah, those are the names. Do you participate in any sports? No. I hate sports. Favorite book? A Child Called It. That's why I'm going to college for what I'm going for, to be a social worker. That was a little side note, but whatever. Yeah. Favorite color? I have those. I have. Favorite color is lime green and bright orange. Favorite animal? Like a zoo animal? Probably a monkey. I like penguins though, because they're cute. They're cute when they're a little mama. Favorite perfume? Right now, the perfume I have in my... Oh, just a second. I don't remember what it's called, but... Sorry, I'm just trying to make noise and shit. Just... open this big ass thing. My purse, it looks like a suitcase though. Sante? See if this says... Smells really good! Yeah, my mom got it for me. Anyway, let's see. Okay. Next one. Favorite holiday? Probably Christmas. Just because I like, I don't know, I like all the gifts, I guess. And I like my whole family like gets together, and sometimes it's chaotic, but yeah. Have you graduated high school? Not yet. I'm actually currently a senior. I graduate in May. Have you ever been out of the country? If so, how many times? No, I have not, and that is one thing I want to do before I die. Do you speak any other languages? No. I took Spanish like 2 years ago in high school. Epic fail. I meant to speak English. How many siblings do you have? I have one brother and three sisters. I am the youngest. What is your favorite store? I like Hot Topic. I have so many. I don't know. I like Hot Topic, Spencer's just because it's fucking hilarious. And they have kick-ass shirts at Spencer's. I like PacSun. I like Glicks. I like the Buckle. I like Maurice's. Yeah. Favorite restaurant? Maxner was the freaking food's big. And yeah, this hair is definitely bothering me, so I'm about ready to just pin it up. But anyway, do you like school? No, I do not. I absolutely hate school. And I hate how people always say, like, high school is supposed to be like the best time of your life. No, it's not. It sucks. High school sucks. Favorite YouTuber? Um, I like Christina Grimmie. I like all her videos. But on my account, let me go down here real quick. Just a second. Oh, sad. Just a moment. I believe, I can't remember if this is the right channel, her channel name. I'm a 07 Ninja, maybe? I don't know. But yeah, I like her. She's so funny, I don't know. Let's see. Favorite movie? I have so many favorite movies. It's not even funny. Probably, I don't know. I like 13, that's a kick-ass movie. Favorite TV show? Jersey Shore, bitches. Jersey Shore is pretty legit. I love it. I just love Snooki. Her and Vinny, they're gonna marry someday. PC or Mac? Mac. What kind of phone do you have? I have the Reality. It's a piece of shit. So I'll show you. It's a little touchscreen with a little thing right here. Oh! See? I just like it because I have 4 different backgrounds. And then I have my black screen. Oh, me and Lindsay. But yeah. It's like starting to like, look at that. It's like starting to fall apart. I need a new one. And the last question is, how tall am I? I don't know. I just went to the doctor the other day and I think they measured me, but probably like 5'2". I'm kind of short. But shit happens. But yeah, that was the All About Me tag. I was really bored, so I figured I would do one. So yeah, now you guys know a little more about me since you don't really know me at all. But yeah, so I think that's all for now. I'll probably be posting another video. I'm kinda tired though. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah. So that's that, and I have the hiccups now. Sweet. Oh yeah, I'm so tired. Oh yeah. But yeah, that's that. I'm kind of bored right now, so I might be posting another one. I just gotta think of something to do. So yeah, send me a request of videos to do, and I'll do it. The next one I'm probably gonna do is what's in my bag. I got that idea from I'm a 07 Ninja, that girl. Yeah, and I'm bored, so I probably will. But that's all for this one now, so have a nice night, day, evening, morning, wherever you are. Have a nice day. Bye.